I'm going to show you exactly how I make $1,000 a day using Claude AI. The good news is what I do is simple, it's repeatable, and you can copy it even if you have no experience, no audience, and nothing to teach anybody. And I'm going to explain exactly how in a second because I know it sounds too good to be true. My name is Fred, I run an AI-powered online course business, and my record is $5,000 cash collected in 48 hours. Not revenue, revenue is $7,000, I'm talking cash in my bank. Now, let me show you exactly how you can do the same thing. Here's the thing, there are a lot of ways people are using Claude to make money right now. Writing resumes for people, doing LinkedIn ghostwriting, building sales pages for clients. And look, those work, but every single one of them has the same problem. The moment you stop working, the money stops too. You're trading time for dollars just with an AI assistant helping you move a little faster. That's not a business, that's a slightly better job. What I do is different. I sell digital products, specifically online courses, and I use Claude to build them and sell them. And the reason this model is so powerful is that you do the work once and it pays you over and over again. I make a course, I put it online, and every time someone buys it, money hits my bank account whether I'm working that day or not. That's what $1,000 a day actually looks like in practice. It's not me sitting at a laptop for 12 hours and grinding out client work. It's a product that's already built, already selling, and Claude helps me build it in a fraction of the time it would have taken otherwise. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over $5,000 in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Now, you're probably thinking, Fred, that sounds awesome for you, but I don't have anything to teach anybody. And look, I really need to spend a minute on this because it's the single biggest thing that stops people from even trying this business, and it's completely unnecessary. You don't have to be the world's leading expert on something to sell a course, because all you're really doing is packaging knowledge that already exists and selling it to people. Think about any topic people are willing to pay to learn. How to pass a real estate exam, how to get better at Excel, how to start a school community, how to start freelancing, how to lose weight without going to the gym, etc. All of that information already exists online. It's in YouTube videos, blog posts, YouTube threads, and books scattered across the internet in 1,000 different places. The reason people buy courses isn't because they can't find the information. They technically can find it, but they're overwhelmed, and finding it would take so much time by themselves, they don't even know where to look. People buy courses because they want someone to take all that scattered information, organize it into a clear step-by-step path, cut out the noise, and just tell them what to do. That's the product. You're selling convenience. It's like buying pre-washed lettuce at the supermarket. People could technically buy the raw lettuce and wash it themselves, so why don't they? And that's exactly what Claude can help you build on any topic, even one you know nothing about personally. You go to Claude, you ask it to research the best way to teach someone how to start a dropshipping store from scratch, or how to train for a marathon, or anything else people want to learn, how to play a video game, how to organize their photos, etc. And it pulls together a structured curriculum and writes the lesson content for you, and it helps you package it and sell it. Your job is to pick the topic, make sure the information is accurate, and put it in front of people who want it. That's it. Claude does the heavy lifting. Now, there are two ways to get attention to sell this course once it's built, and both of them work. The first is the personal brand route. You show your face, you build a YouTube channel or a social media presence, and you become the recognizable name in your niche. If you're willing to do that, you can go really far, because a personal brand compounds over time. People come for you. Every video you post builds trust, builds an audience, and brings in more buyers. This is the path I took, and it's been worth every bit of effort. But I completely understand if you don't want to be on camera, if you're more of a private person, or maybe you're camera shy, maybe you just don't want your face tied to an online business, and that's completely fine. Because the second path is using an AI avatar or an AI voice. You can use a tool like HeyGen to create a realistic AI avatar, or you can clone a voice or use a pre-made one with a tool like 11 Labs. And you can run the entire business without ever appearing on camera. The course content, the marketing videos, the sales material, all of it produced with AI tools, and none of it requires you to be on camera for a single second. Think about how wild that actually is. You can have a fully operational online course business with a real brand, real students, and real revenue, and your face is never involved. And Claude is the backbone of all of it because it's writing the scripts, the course content, the emails, the sales pages, basically everything except pressing the record button. And I want to be clear about why I use Claude specifically for this. Because people ask me all the time, why not ChatGPT? Why not Perplexity? Why not Gemini? The answer is that Claude is, in general, much better at writing content that sounds like a real human actually wrote it. For long-form content like course scripts, sales pages, and email sequences, it's not even close in my experience. The writing is more natural, more persuasive, and it doesn't have that robotic AI flavor you get with a lot of other AI tools. Now, I will say ChatGPT is a lot better than it used to be. When I upload my style guide and reference material into a Claude project, what comes out actually sounds more like me, and that matters a lot when you're building a brand. Now let me show you what the math actually looks like so this feels real. If you're selling a course for a low price, let's say $200, you only need 5 sales a day to hit $1,000. If you're selling it at $500, you only need 2. And if you have a high ticket offer at $1,000, you only need 1 customer. And these aren't crazy, unrealistic numbers. Once you've got the right system running, you've got a product, you've got traffic coming in from YouTube or Instagram or ads or any other platform, and you've got an email list or a school community you're sending offers to. That's the machine, and Claude helps you build out every single piece of it faster than you could ever do it manually. Look, the opportunity with AI right now is real, but most people are going to use it to get slightly better at their job or to do client work a little faster, and that's fine. But if you want to actually build a real business that pays you, whether you're working or not, the smartest thing you can do is to build a digital product, an online course, and use Claude to help you do it. You don't need to be an expert, you don't need an audience yet. Everybody starts from zero, and you don't need a lot of money to get going. You just need to pick a topic people want to learn, build a course with Claude's help, and get it in front of people. That's what I do, and that's exactly what you can do too. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free, and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.